Today we'll be making crispy air-fried potatoes using the air fryer. First off, preheat your air fryer to a temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit with a 13 to 15 minute cook time, depending on how big your batch is. You can use any type of potatoes you want, but I prefer baby potatoes because they're bite-sized and easy to cut. I'll usually just cut them in half. Next, put the potatoes in a mixing bowl and season it however you'd like. I'm using seasoning salt, dried thyme, and cracked pepper. Since you're cooking in an air fryer, you don't need to use any oil, but I highly recommend adding olive oil because it creates a crispy texture on the outside when you're done air frying. Add the potatoes to the air fryer when it's done preheating, then shake it up so it's evenly spread out. Shake the potatoes up at the halfway time mark. Remove the food when done. These potatoes pair up really well with any breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So try out this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks.